Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to get a very high score on Block Blast using a pretty simple glitch. Once you open the app, head to classic mode and make sure you spawn in with a 5-line block that's going horizontally, just like the one right here. If you don't have this, just keep resetting the game until you do. Now place that block in the middle and get rid of any other blocks until you get a 3x3 block or another 5-line that goes horizontally. So basically keep placing the blocks, and then once you get that 5 line, just put it at the very top just like that, and then clear out all the rows. We just want to clear out every single row until we get that 3x3 block. Place all the other blocks, and with that 3x3 block, put it in between those 2 lines right there. And now we're going to get a vertical 2x4. Put that right next to the 3x3, and this is what's going to make the glitch possible. Put that 3x3 right next to all of them, and that's such a beautiful combo. Get rid of all the other blocks, and now the glitch should officially have begun, and you can just keep repeating this process endlessly, and this will help you rack up so many points. You just keep repeating it, and these combos will just keep gathering those points. It's such a beautiful glitch. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. It would mean so much to the channel. Goodbye.